Hello, welcome to Good Morning Tonight. What is your name?
Maka Kanini Watsu.
Very interesting, and what does that mean?
Bunny hide in rock.
What is your name? What is your favorite Thanksgiving pastime?
When great snow eagle fly, watchful eyes become ancient, and the buffalo collaborate.
Anything? Anything at all? Thanksgiving pastime. That's very, how do you feel about your opponents this year?
When great snow eagle fly, watchful eyes become ancient, and the buffalo collaborate.
He's got a gun!
Do you have anything to say?
Pilgrims, Indians, aliens.